Hello, YouTube. Welcome back. Today is a day of love, and so I'm here to share a recipe that is going to help you give your body some love. This recipe is from the goodfoodbaddie.com. She has some really great recipes that are vegan friendly on there, plant-based. And this recipe today is going to be the blueberry chia sea moss jam, and it is so good. All right, so what you will need 3 cups of blueberries. You'll need a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and then a 1/4 cup of sea moss gel. Now remember that you are the creative genius, so you can tweak this however you like and create something that you love with someone that you love and just have fun with it. So I didn't do the recipe on the full scale. I just used what I had, and I didn't have 3 cups of blueberries, but it still came out amazing. And you could put as much or as little chia seeds as you would like. So let's get into this. So first, I added the blueberries and the syrup, and you can choose whatever syrup you want, or if you want to do sugar. I don't recommend using sugar, but you can put your sweetener now with your blueberries. You also add your lemon juice, and you bring that to a boil, a low boil, for about 5 minutes. Make sure you're stirring this occasionally. You'll notice that the blueberries start to burst and release the good juices from the blueberries. Then you want to turn your heat to a medium high, and then allow the mixture to boil for about 10 minutes until it reduces. So now, and again, don't forget to stir. Now you're gonna bring that heat down to a medium-low heat, and you're gonna add your chia seeds. I didn't put that much in there, to be honest, but if you really like it, go for it. Put as much as you like. And there are really great benefits in chia seeds as well. 1 ounce of chia seeds has 11 grams of fiber. It has 4 grams of protein, a very low fat, 9 grams of fat, but 5 of those 9 grams are omega-3s, which is great, healthy fats for your brain and body overall. There's also 18% calcium, and there are lots of B vitamins, which you can also find in the sea moss, and we know sea moss is anti-inflammatory. There's 92 of the 102 minerals that your body needs to function daily, and it's also immune boosting. So right now is a great time to have this recipe added in for your family and enjoy. All right, so once your chia seeds are in there, you go ahead and you cook for additional 5 minutes. Don't forget to keep on stirring it. And then you're gonna turn your heat off, and that's where the goodness comes in. You're gonna go ahead and add your sea moss. Now I said a 1/4 cup for that particular recipe, but if you want more sea moss, add more sea moss. We already know the amazing benefits of sea moss, so any way that you can get it in your body is a win. And then you can enjoy it. So you can use it on pancakes, however you use your jam, on toast, on waffles, in sandwiches. And I gave my daughter a sandwich with the blueberry chia sea moss jam, and it was a win. So it's a great way to get your kids to have 92 of the 102 minerals that our body needs to function daily. So thank you for stopping by. I hope today is filled with love, positivity, and good vibes. Till next time.